What's going on, family? Checking in with you this morning. Today I am working on my utility trailer that I've been restoring. Pretty much got it where I want to. I still got to do a lot of stuff in the inside. I got a couple ideas that I'm gonna do with it. My goal is to kill a couple birds with one stone with this one. With the room that it got in here, I can do a few different things. So I'm gonna utilize it to the best of my ability to use it for advertisement, use it for advertisement and to sell items, because I can literally put a lot of good stuff in here on the walls. So my goal is to do the inside where I can be able to have like a small storefront, and the inside when I open it up and have an awning. So I was sitting up here doing some measurements. My goal is to place an awning from here to here in front of the door and have it where I can be able, I'm gonna do a bracket for an RV awning type. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, because that one it can roll up and I can extend it. So I might can get some brackets and try to do that. That's one of my goals. I've been sitting here thinking about how I was gonna work this out. But I got a couple ideas. Like I said, I wanna have an awning on this side, so that way I can have a table and a couple chairs here and we can chill or whatever. And when we post up or whatever, we got our table at the front or service or whatever the display is, and then we have our unit in there with different stuff hanging up and different stuff we can get to. So my goal is to be able to haul around the skids in there. So I'm gonna have the skids and the stairs and the shooting targets and whatever else that we have, and some kits that I'm gonna be putting together for some beginning welders and journeymen. So got a few different things that I want to be working on. Just wanted to give you a small update on the trailer. Like I say, this is one that I bought out of Feniks, so I've been getting it together, and it's serving a real good purpose right now, so I can't complain. Everything is working from what I need it for. It's good. So, but I was thinking today about investing in a rack. So I think I'm gonna invest in a rack for my truck to put on the top, so I can be able to pick up certain steel now. So I'm steady getting certain loads. I think I'm gonna get me a nice dope black rack where I can be able to pick up my steel bars, because I'm gonna be doing some more fabrication. And honestly, if I can be able to haul it like that from where I'm going in a distance, picking it up, it'll be worth it. So I'm gonna try to come up with something where I can kill several birds with one stone. I like to say that, man, because it's good to utilize what you got and try to kill as many birds with that stone as you possibly can. Hold on.